Microsoft Office 2021 very easiest method installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system. Google search box లో Office setup download enter key press download Microsoft Office 365 for Windows and Mac. First link click Microsoft 365 official web page complete display mouse scroll down download Microsoft 365 section లో two buttons display. First one download for Windows, second one download for Mac OS. First button download for Windows click. Download section లో Office setup.exe setup file downloading process start file size 7.2 MB. Completed. New tab click. Search box లో Office customization tool enter key press Office Customization Tool Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center. First link click. Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center official redirectory web page complete display. First option Product and Releases section లో Architecture two options display. First one 32-bit, second one 64-bit. 64-bit default detect and tick mark set. Scroll down. Which product and apps do you want to deploy? Section లో first one Office Suites related box right side down arrow click Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 volume license option select. Scroll down select the version latest default set apps section లో Microsoft Office 2021 related internal and tools display. Turn apps on or off to include or exclude them from being deployed. Unnecessary apps tick mark offset. Necessary apps tick mark on set. OneDrive desktop unnecessary left side edge mouse left click offset. Outlook classic unnecessary left side edge mouse left click. Scroll down blue color button next click. Select primary language related box right side down arrow click English United States select. Scroll down bottom side blue color button next click. Mouse scroll down again next button click. Scroll down uninstall any MSI version of Office including Viso and Project. Automatic uninstall on set default. Scroll down next button click Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 volume license KMS related version default set. Scroll down next button click mouse scroll down next button click show only selected internal tools display. Mouse scroll down bottom side blue color button finish click. Right side second button export click. Second option Office open XML formats left side circle tick mark set mouse left click OK button click. Export configuration to XML window middle section accept the terms in the license agreement left side box tick mark set mouse left click. Set of file name configuration first button export click. First button keep click configuration.xml file downloading process completed. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder లో two set of files display. First set of file select mouse right click. Third option rename click. Unnecessary text office remove. Keyboard లో delete key press. File name setup set enter key press. Two set of files select mouse right click first icon cut click right side this PC option select first one new volume C select open mouse right click new option select sub panel folder click keyboard lo delete key press. Office 2021 enter. Enter key press. Folder open. Mouse right click. Paste icon click. Folder minimize. Desktop Windows search box lo CMD enter. First option command prompt related right side. Second one run as administrator. Select first button yes click. Command prompt shell window display. Desktop Office 2021 folder reopen. Top section lo address bar. Mouse left click. Mouse right click. Second option copy click. Folder minimize. Enter the command cd space keyboard shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. In this video description section lo second text command paste. Asterisk command copy paste here. Keyboard lo shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Close. We are getting things to ready. System verification process start. Wait in here 5 minutes minimum. You are all set. Office is installed now. Close button click. Desktop Windows search box lo CMD enter. First option command prompt. Right side second one run as administrator. Click. First button yes click. Enter the text command. Keyboard lo shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Close. Desktop Windows search box lo Word enter. First option Word click. Accept the license agreement window lo accept blue color button click. Interface maximize. Accounts first template click. Chari Tech Info Warangal